This past year, thanks to wonderful people like you, the PCHD Foundation was able to support the following: resistive bands for students in the pre-diabetes class, as well as people who receive wellness consultations at the Center for Health Education, offering a safe and easy way to improve strength. Car seats for newborns in low-income families so they can be safely transported home. Audiogram panel and software in the occupational medicine clinic so that staff can track and maintain OSHA-required documentation for employees receiving services. Blood pressure cuffs and scales for low-income patients who visit the complex care clinic so they can monitor changes at home and avoid hospital readmissions. Food models for diabetic education recipients to help patients visualize portion sizes and make healthier choices. Training for a certified tobacco treatment specialist at the Samaritan Health Center in Newport to provide direct support to patients who say they are ready to quit using tobacco. Stretchers and chair stretchers to increase safety and comfort of patients and employees in the emergency department. 105 hospice patients received music in their homes played by a certified music practitioner to help relieve anxiety at the end of life. A women's cancer support group open to all current cancer patients and their loved ones so attendees do not feel alone in their fight against cancer. 14 exam room chairs in the Walport Clinic to enhance comfort for patients and their guests and prevent staff injury as employees no longer have to move chairs to accommodate visitors. 251 patients received a combined total of $43,089 in patient support, such as medical transportation and prescription assistance. A training defibrillator in the Center for Health Education Skills Lab, allowing employees to practice with tools they would use in a real emergency, so they're ready when the time comes. A safe sleep program offered through the Women's Health Clinic provides a portable crib, sleep sack, and pacifier to low-income families to reduce the risk of sudden infant death syndrome. That's My Farmer is a nutrition and wellness program offered to people with cancer, helping them improve quality of life through healthy choices. Equipment in the physical therapy department to help expand the department's offerings to include speech therapy for pediatric patients and exercise equipment for high school athletes, so children don't have to leave the community to get the services that they need. The Susan G. Komen for the Cure Breast Cancer Issues Conference was broadcast live at the Center for Health Education so that staff and community members could attend without traveling to Portland. The DEXA bone scanner allows residents to receive high-quality imaging tests locally, including fracture risk assessments, so preventative treatment options can be provided as soon as possible. Patient lifts will be installed throughout the new hospital patient care areas, including the emergency department treatment rooms, to prevent employee injury and provide a more comfortable and dignified patient experience. Single-use cloth pads provided a warmer and more comfortable experience for mammography patients throughout Breast Cancer Awareness Month. The Women's Connection Group is a collaboration between the Women's Health Clinic and Lincoln County Health and Human Services to help pregnant and postpartum women learn healthy ways to care for themselves and their young children. Lead Care 2 point-of-care testing allows the detection of lead blood levels for pediatric patients in the Toledo and Walport clinics, preventing delays in testing and next step care. Protein Prescription provides high-protein groceries to malnourished, food-insecure patients when they're discharged to help them heal faster and lower hospital readmissions. A refrigerator in the lab to store chemistry reagents, which are used daily to perform chemistry testing. 36 hospice patients received care from a licensed massage therapist in their homes as a source of comfort and pain management at the end of life. Expanded perinatal grief and loss support services through the Women's Health Clinic includes a cuddle cot, allowing parents more time with their deceased child, and a 7-week support group to assist with the bereavement process. Low-income parents who lose an infant can receive assistance with cremation and burial costs, as well as memory items to help them grieve. 67 pieces of art from primarily local artists will be displayed throughout the new hospital to enhance the healing environment. 11 employees received a total of $5,100 through the Employee Emergency Assistance Program, thanks entirely to the Employee Caring Campaign.